Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to get Kosu AI Pro for free. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. Type in Kosu AI Students. This is actually available for students, and it is actually given to students for 1 full year. So if you were able to enter your eligible university and you have seen as a legit student, you're going to be given 1 full year Kuso plan pro plan completely for free. Now this is actually available for countries like Australia, Bongo, Bulgaria, Canada, New Zealand, Poland, Portuguese, South Africa, Hungary, Ireland, France, Finland, Germany, Greece, and so on. So if you just try it and you're able to click on this first website here, if it's open for you in your own region, you just have to enter your details, and if you are qualified, you're going to be given free 1 year Kusu AI Pro. If this video was helpful, please do want to follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.